Welcome back, everybody. My name is Tank. Today we're talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano. I'll be giving you guys my thoughts about where we are in the market as well as where I think we might be heading in the near future. I have a really important message to share with everybody. Hope you guys hear me out on this one. I am not selling my crypto for any reason whatsoever, especially not because what happened on the Senate floor today with this infrastructure bill. And I don't think any of you guys should either. I have a good reason why, so before you guys jump all over me, hear me out. Think about the whole situation. Even though it sucked for us retail investors and or traders, think about it, guys. Who sets to benefit from this the most? Institutions. Let me tell you guys why. Institutions have been dying to get into crypto for a long time now, but they haven't because they didn't know what to expect from the government. Now that they have guidelines or a clue of what to expect from the government going forward, guess who's going to be coming into crypto like we've never seen before? Institutions. Now they know what to expect from the government. And now they have something to work with. Don't kid yourself and don't think that these institutions don't have the money and the system and the power to make it work in their favor, because they do. This has been the game that they've played for years, and all they did was just play it again on us. That's literally all they did. They snuck it in on an infrastructure bill that they quickly passed through that was blinding speed. I don't know how they expected anybody to realistically read the whole entire bill in its entirety from the amount that they presented it to when they voted on it. That's, oh gosh, I try so hard not to get in on why I hate what happened, but I'm right there with you guys. My whole point is I'm right there with you guys. The whole thing was stupid. They killed innovation, but they only killed it for us little fries. They didn't kill it for themselves and the big corporations that they're lining their pockets with. Think about why they rushed it through so quickly. Think about why they didn't care about what you were saying. They don't care. It's because they don't care. They care about their interest, their lobbying interest, the institutions that they need to keep happy, the big money. Those are the people who are going to reap the rewards from what just happened on the Senate floor. Think about that, guys. We've been saying it for years now. It's only a matter of time until institutions get in. It's only a matter of time. Blockchain technology is going to change the world. They know it. They just were waiting for the moment where it was beneficial for them to get in. Guess what just happened? That moment just happened. Literally. Think about the whole setup, guys. Let's zoom out. Let's zoom out real quick. Let's zoom out. Makes sense, right? We've been waiting. The push down. The bill comes out. Things happen. They know it's coming. Bada bing, bada boom. Maybe who bought these dips? Who you committed? We were covering it. A lot of people are covering it. Wallets were buying up massive amounts, right? Think about it. Who possibly could have been buying up that much? Who has that much money? There's few individuals who do. There's a lot of corporations and institutions that do. Guess who could have been buying that? There's less and less Bitcoin and Ethereum on exchanges. Guess who could have been buying it all up? This could have been a whole setup. This is only my thought process. This isn't facts. This is just me putting things together. And if 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3, then this makes all the sense in the world to me. Manipulation, accumulation, bill gets passed, small guys get set to the side. You were invited to this party, but you were never intended to eat at the dinner table. That has been the play always with big money. That has been the play with the government always. Always. That's what's happened in stocks. That's why GMC was such a hot topic. That's why AMC was such a hot topic. You were always invited to this party, but you were never expected to eat at the dinner table. They just wanted you to come and fill the room. Guess what? You filled the room perfectly. Bill gets passed. Little guys get pushed off the dance floor. And now we all have to sit back and watch the kings and queens and the noble people do their little curtsies and dances on the dance floor. Do not sell your position to these greedy vultures. You're selling your opportunity in the future. Just my opinion, not financial advice. Think about it. Think about it. It all makes perfect sense now. Now that these institutions have a guideline to go by, they know what to expect somewhat from the government. They can do their thing now. It sucks for us. Yes, I understand. I'm right there with you guys. I don't want devs to be taxed as brokers. I don't want miners to be taxed as brokers or validators or node operators. Any of that stuff. That's stupid. There's no way for us to actually comply to that anyway. People, 80-year-olds, seniors are voting for technology that they don't even understand. You know, I'm right there with you guys. I get it, but I'm also of the mind, I always try to look for the best I look for opportunities in every situation. And I suggest you look at your entire life that way, not just investments or crypto. Everything in life, every situation has an opportunity for you to learn. And this is one of them. Think about it. There's a silver lining. There's a gold lining. There's a silver lining within this horrible situation. Institution will come in. Mass adoption will come in. Mass buying of all crypto will happen that has good use cases. The weak will die. The good development, the good use cases, the good technology will win. They'll be adopted. And then everybody who sold off will regret themselves and regret their decisions. I'm not selling my crypto. I'm buying these dips. I suggest you do too. Let's jump into Bitcoin's 4-hour time frame to get a better idea of what's happening within the market. Guys, we've traded Bitcoin up and down for a while now. Currently, we're trading Bitcoin for $45,500. We've gone from just a few hours ago where we saw Bitcoin at a high of $46,761 all the way down recently to $44,556. We are where we are, so we can only work with what we got. Let's take a look at Bitcoin on Market Cipher B so we can get a better idea. The RSIs are pinching together, pointing downwards, so we do have some selling pressure still coming in on the 4-hour time frame. We are in the green. Let's go to the 3-hour time frame. Looking like the RSIs are splitting apart here. Still in the green. Still looking good. Looking like it wants to kind of just die out and go sideways here, which would be a good thing. On the 2-hour time frame, the RSIs have finally broken apart from themselves. Still in the green. Everything looks great right now, guys. Matter of fact, if I actually go here and measure this out from the high just recently of $46,700 to where we are now, all we've done is drawn down about 2.92%. That's nothing. That's healthy. That's an everyday move for Bitcoin. I don't know why you guys are being so bearish. Don't be bearish, guys. Don't be bearish. Look at the overall big picture. Get a better idea of what's happening. 1-hour time frame, guys. 1-hour time frame actually looking like the RSIs are curved back up, pointing back up. We are in the red now from the green on Market Cipher B. We did just get a buy signal not too long ago, about 2 hours ago. But yeah, everything looks great. Everything still looks great, guys. Don't get shook. Don't get shook. Reinforce your convictions. If you guys really believe in your assets, I believe in Bitcoin's store value. I believe in its use case. I believe in what it was invented for. I believe in Ethereum. I believe in ADA. I'm reinforcing myself. I'm sticking to my convictions. Nothing's changed. They're not going to kill crypto. All they've done is set it up for them to benefit. Let's move over to ETH, guys. ETH right now still looking strong. We're on the 1-hour time frame. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame to start and then go back down. We do have a red dot on Market Cipher B showing us that we will probably come back down. RSIs are starting to snap back down a little bit. We are deep in the green. We've been deep in the green for quite some time on the 4-hour time frame. So we might see a drawdown, but I don't think it's going to be major. Matter of fact, we've already seen price action and its volatility today. If it was going to do it, it probably would have done it. In all honesty, it probably would have done it. But on the 3-hour time frame, just kind of further confirming that we will start, because actually we had a sell signal here on the last candle. So we are coming down a little bit. But like I said before, each and every time we get these sell signals, at least for Ethereum and Bitcoin, they look weaker and weaker and weaker, guys. Look at the wicks on these candles if I zoom in on here. They're pretty good wicks, guys, especially this last one. It's more wick than it is body of the red candle. And right now, I mean, this is like a pancake, really, right? But yeah, I mean, things look okay to me. They look totally fine. 2-hour time frame. RSI is starting to flatten out here. We are in the green again. Look at this. It's just like barely any body, just all wick. 1-hour time frame looking like we're covering back up. We actually have a buy signal, but we are in the red for Market Cipher B on the 1 hour time frame. So I would kind of like to see all three kind of line up. RSI is pointing up, buy signal, it's still in the green. It is what it is. I'm kind of just buying certain levels and DCAing on certain levels. I'm not necessarily taking trades right now. I'm just dollar cost averaging. But yeah, everything looks good right now, guys. Did you also know they did? I look, and I will also go back and say, I was of the mindset that ETH is not a deflationary asset because, you know, it has infinite supply, but they have a set schedule of when ETH is printed and put into the supply. They actually did a study, and I wish I actually had it here to share with you guys, but they had a study of the amount being burnt over the past few days. If that amount holds up versus the amount of ETH that gets printed, it will actually deflate, or Ethereum will actually become probably a deflationary asset because they're burning more than they're actually putting in. So yes, if that remains true going forward, Ethereum actually could be ultra sound money, like they were saying. I was kind of skeptical about it because, you know, there's an unlimited supply of ETH, but if the amount is being taken out faster than it can be put back in, well, guess what, guys? That's the definition, right? I'm just saying it's pretty amazing. It has to hold up though. Let's move over to ADA. ADA's looking great, guys. ADA's looking super bullish. On the 1 hour time frame, we do have a trigger dot showing us that is time to buy again. We are in the green. Man, this looks really good. RSIs are pointing back up. Let's go to the 2 hour time frame to get further confirmations. RSIs are pointing back up again. Still in the green, looking great on the 2 hour time frame. Let's go to the 3 hour time frame. Kind of flattening out, still in the green. Guys, we rallied so hard on ADA. So proud of ADA. So proud. I really hope Charles nails it with the smart contracts being released soon. Charles just put out an expected timeline for ADA and smart contracts. It's right around the corner, guys. Don't sell your Bitcoin. Don't sell your Ethereum. Don't sell your ADA. You're just giving away your opportunities in the future. That's what I'm seeing on the charts, guys. If it makes any sense to you guys, I hope you guys, I don't know. I honestly don't know how to say it. Like, if it makes sense to you guys, great. Like the video. If not, debate me about it. I would like to hear you guys' opinions about that as well. Either way, like the video for me. It would help me out with the YouTube algorithms. I'm trying to grow the channel. Subscribe to the channel as well. I try to put out videos every single day for you guys, so it maybe helps you guys in your positions and your investments. Again, nothing I say is financial advice. This is always just my opinion about what the market and what's happening. Me showing you guys what I'm doing. With that being said, guys, stay in profits. Peace.